Welcome to Maria Homes Development Corporation. About our company. In 2020, Mr. and Mrs. Hocson founded Maria Homes Development Corporation, drawing from their construction experience. Inspired by Mrs. Hocson's civil engineer father, they are committed to building excellence. The president, Maria Linda V. Hocson, grew up in this industry, and her father, being a civil engineer, influenced her and inspired her to love and embrace the world of real estate development. Now let's dive on and learn more details about Maria Homes Development Corporation. The introductory project, Maria Homes Premiere Subdivision, located at Sitio San Nicolas, Barangay Tres De Mayo, Digos City. A 13 minutes drive away from MERS native delicacies Sinowilan, near Macor Yesu College Power, Colencio R. Alberca Elementary School, Digos City Eco Park, few meters before Sita de Oro Subdivision, Ruparan Eco Park. A total of 19,500 square meters of land to be developed and 130 economic and socialized dwelling homes will soon rise. Now, we come to the house models. First, Maria Marcela, floor area, 58.15 square meters. Regular lot area, 150 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Second, Maria Lorenza, floor area, 41.40 square meters. Regular lot area, 110 square meters, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Third, Maria Delfina, floor area, 32 square meters. Lot area, 50 square meters. Open floor plan and 1 bathroom. To be eligible for Pag-ibig Housing Loan, you must qualify to the following requirements. Client must be an active Pag-ibig member for at least 24 months. If less than 24 months, you may pay in advance. Verify employer's Pag-ibig registration before submission. How to reserve. Fill out client information sheet. Use black ball pen and write legibly. For employee, provide the following. For OFW, provide the following. For self-employed, provide the following. After submission, the necessary requirements assessment lead time of 2 to 3 working days. The broker and client will be notified via text, voice call, messenger, and email for the result. If the client is qualified, the client is given 3 working days to pay for reservation. If no payment is made, the desired block and lot is automatically open for others. If the client is not qualified, don't worry, because our marketing team will help and suggest alternative ways and means to make the dream of owning a brand new house into reality. Payment. We accept direct bank deposit or GCash. Here are the terms and policy of the payment. Maria Homes Development Corporation. The joy of building best begins.